Hi, I'm Gina Murray, and this is Tim Murray, and we are the owners and founders of Aware Senior Care, an award-winning home care agency serving Wake County. For today's Tuesday tip, we are encouraging everyone to follow the CDC's latest guidelines and wear a face mask when in public places. You may be wondering why the CDC added this new guideline. Recent studies have shown that individuals without symptoms of COVID-19 may not only be carrying the virus, they likely are spreading it as well. These folks may remain asymptomatic and never show any symptoms, or they may be in the pre-symptom phase of the disease. In either case, they can transmit the virus to others and continue the spread of this terrible disease. Wearing a cloth face mask can reduce the risk of transmission. Everyone should remember to follow the stay-at-home order and to continue social distancing when it is necessary to be in a public place. The CDC website has instructions how to make a face mask from materials you likely have in your home. It is important that you cover your face, including your nose and mouth, and that it fits closely to your face. Also remember that when you're removing your mask, only touch the ear loops or the ties in the back. Place the mask in a bag or directly into the washing machine. Wash your hands immediately after removing your mask. Now we'd like to show you how we are making masks for our Aware team. In fact, it's so easy, even Tim can do it. Let's watch. We're making cloth face masks for all of our employees. We're just taking 2 elastic bands and a piece of cloth. So Tim's going to fold the cloth in half. The cloth is about 20 by 20. But it can be any size. This can be a t-shirt. Fold it in half and then fold it into thirds.
Even a caveman can do it.
Slide the elastic over each end. You'll need to adjust this to your face.
That's what I found out during the process here. Getting them closer makes it tighter.
Then you're going to fold the ends toward the middle. And then the elastic bands are going to be the ear loops. So Tim's going to put it on and I'm going to help adjust the mask on his face. It's very important that the mask fits tightly over your nose and covers your mouth. So there's no air coming in the sides or from the bottom. This mask was hand sewn by a volunteer. And we appreciate the effort. However, with this type of mask, there are gaps on the side and gaps around the nose, and that will allow airborne particles to travel inside and out. Another test to see is, can you make a candle dance or can you blow it out? That's showing you how much air is coming through my mask.
Don't look at me.
The flame is not even moving, so it's showing that the air is being stopped by the mask, which means nothing's coming out, nor is it going in. So once you arrive back home and you're ready to take your mask off, remember, only touch the ear loops when you take it off. Don't touch the outside of your mask. It should go directly into a bag, or if it's the end of the day, drop it right into the washing machine. Make sure you wash the mask each day. We hope you found this information helpful and hope we all stay safe from COVID-19 with this little bit of extra protection.
And wear your mask in public places when around people. This is a serious and unprecedented time in our history. We all play an important part in limiting the spread of the COVID-19 virus by following CDC guidelines and the stay-at-home order decree. For more on CDC guidelines and information about face masks, you can visit the CDC website or go to the Aware Senior Care homepage and click on the red bar at the top of our page which says Interim Guidance by the CDC for implementing home care of people not requiring hospitalization for COVID-19.
For our friends in the community, Aware Senior Care is open and we're here to help. We thank all essential workers and especially those who are working with our seniors during this critical time. You are all heroes. Thank you and God bless from Aware Senior Care.